How to see watch later videos on YouTube. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to see watch later videos on YouTube. Accessing your watch later videos on YouTube ensures that you never miss out on the content you have saved for later enjoyment or learning. So let's start the video. To find watch later videos on YouTube in your system, open your YouTube. Now, in the left corner of the screen, look for watch later option and click on it. So click on watch later. Here you will see the watch later playlist. Click on it to access all the videos you have saved. This is the easiest method to see watch later videos on YouTube. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.